All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So bend, b-end, b-end, and br-ache. So bend, to use force to put something in a shape that is not normal. So bend, bend. I bend the book. I can bend the book. What can you bend? Can you bend this book? Can you bend this book? Yeah. Yes, I can bend the book. Easy to bend. It is easy to bend that book. Makes sense. Did you bend this bottle? Did you bend it? The glass bottle can only be bent when it is very, very hot. Yeah. Just try not to bend the pens. So here we are. The pen, it can't be bent easily. I can't bend the pen easily. Yeah, the pen can be bent easily. The pen can't be bent easily. I can bend it a little. I can bend it a little. Yeah. How cool is that? So, break. To snap something so it's in pieces. Did you break the plate? Well, I am careful not to break the plates. Don't break the window. Yeah. Let's try and get a picture. Here we are. Like to break something. How long have these tools been broken? Yeah. They have been broken since yesterday. We broke them while we used them. Yeah, we broke them. Yeah, yesterday. Very good. Yeah, so break and bend. Bend. If you bend it too much, then it might break. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use bend and break in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.